Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick start tutorial with Google Chrome. To start with Google Chrome, you can go ahead and sign into your Google profile. I'm going to quickly sign in here. Once I've logged in, Google Chrome will ask me if I want to link data as well as turn on sync. Once you've signed in, you'll have the ability to search via Google right here or type in a URL. You can also do this in the URL bar up at the top. Over in the right-hand corner, you have a couple shortcuts. You have a Gmail shortcut, a Google Images shortcut, and the Google Apps Launcher. Clicking on the Google Apps Launcher will allow you to get to other applications within G Suite, such as Google Sheets, Docs, Slides, and much more. I can click on applications and drag them to where I prefer to have them, and minimize the window by clicking on the Apps Launcher again. If I want to customize this homepage, I can go to the bottom right-hand corner. Clicking on the Customize icon, I can either use a default background that's been loaded in for me, or I can upload an image of my own. Lastly, in that upper right-hand corner, you'll see your profile icon. If you hover over it, you'll see which account you're currently viewing. If you do want to add shortcuts to your Google homepage, you can go ahead and add shortcuts here. Here you can give your shortcut a name, and type in the URL at the bottom. If you are looking to manage multiple different Google Chrome or Google accounts within your web browser, you can do so using different Chrome profiles. You will be able to add an account by hovering over your profile icon, clicking on it, and adding an account here. But we do recommend using different Chrome profiles. To add in different Chrome profiles, you can click on your profile icon all the way at the top here and click Manage People. This will pop out a window for all of the different Chrome profiles that I have currently set up. I can go ahead and add a person in. Say, for example, I had another Chrome account, a personal Gmail account, or even a third personal Gmail account. I could use the Add Person icon here, or I could click Browse as Guest. As you can see, I have a couple of different profiles already loaded on here. So if I wanted to get to my personal Google account, I could click on this icon here. If I am looking to delete a Chrome profile, I can hover over the profile, click on the three-dot menu, and remove the person from my Chrome profiles. Again, we do recommend using Chrome profiles because it will keep your data completely separate, and it will be the best way to be able to manage all of those different profiles that you might have. So if you're looking to manage a work account as well as a personal account, Chrome profiles is our recommendation. The last thing that I want to point out within Google Chrome is a couple of different setting options. To find your settings, you can go to the upper right-hand corner in the three-dot menu, click on those three dots, and scroll down to settings here. Before we do go into settings, you can find a new tab by clicking on this button here, a new window, or even a new incognito window. You can manage your bookmarks here and see all of your Chrome profile history here. Clicking on settings will take you to the Google settings page. And one setting option that I do want to point out is the on startup setting option. So if you'd like to default to that open the new tab page of google.com, you can leave this here. But if you wanted to open a specific set of pages, say, for example, your email or another browser window, you could use this icon here and click on Add New Page. And that's all with Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.